Today we're uncovering the secrets of the 33 most incredible natural wonders you won't believe exist. In this video, we will take you on a voyage around the world to discover some of the most inspiring natural wonders on the planet. Join us as we uncover the fascinating stories and little-known facts behind these natural wonders, and learn more about the geological, biological, and cultural forces that have shaped them into the marvels that they are today. Whether you're an avid traveler, an outdoors enthusiast, or simply a curious soul, this video will surely leave you amazed and inspired by the power and beauty of our planet's natural wonders. So let's embark on a remarkable journey together. Number 33, Lençóis Maranhanas National Park. Lençóis Maranhanas sand dunes. These sand dunes in northeastern Brazil are unique because they form in the middle of a tropical forest and are filled with freshwater lagoons during the rainy season. The sand dunes cover an area of over 580 square miles and are one of the main attractions of Lençóis Maranhanas National Park. The sand is carried to the park from the continent's interior by the Parnaíba and Preguiças rivers, where it is then driven back inland up to 31 miles by winds, creating a series of sand dunes rising as much as 130 feet tall. During the rainy season, between January and June, the rainstorms fill the spaces among the dunes with freshwater lagoons of up to 330 feet in length and 10 feet in depth, and together comprising as much as 41% of the area of the park. Lençóis Maranhanas National Park receives as many as 60,000 visitors a year. Everyday activities within the park include surfing, canoeing, and horseback riding. Number 32, Cappadocia. This region in central Turkey is known for its surreal landscapes of fairy chimneys, rock formations, and underground cities. Over thousands of years, volcanic eruptions, erosion, and human habitations formed the unique topography of Cappadocia. Cappadocia has a rich history and even appears in the biblical account in the book of Acts, 2nd chapter, verse 9. Today is a popular tourist destination where travelers can take hot air balloon rides, hike, or explore the underground cities and churches that were carved into the soft, tough rock. Cappadocia is also famous for its wine, pottery, and hospitality, making it a popular destination for tourists across the globe. Number 31, Phang Nga Bay. The stunning bay is in Phang Nga Province, Thailand, and is known for its limestone cliffs, turquoise waters, and hidden lagoons. Tourists can explore the bay by boat or kayak and discover the numerous caves and beaches that dot the coastline. Limestone cliffs with caves, collapsed cave systems, and archaeological sites are found about Phang Nga Bay. Around 10,000 years ago, when sea levels were lower, walking from Phuket and Krabi was possible. The bay is also home to James Bond Island, a famous tourist spot that was featured in the movie The Man with the Golden Gun. Number 30. Svartifoss Waterfall. Discovered in Vatnajökull National Park in Iceland, Svartifoss Waterfall is known for its unique basalt column formations surrounding the falls. The waterfall drops 20 meters into a pool below, and the black basalt columns provide a stunning backdrop for the picturesque scene. Travelers can hike to the waterfall and explore the surrounding glaciers and landscape. Svartifoss cannot be seen from the road, and the hike up to it takes some 90 minutes back and forth with photo stops. Number 29. Grand Prismatic Spring. This hot spring in Yellowstone National Park in the United States is one of the largest hot springs in the world. The first records of the spring are from early European explorers and surveyors. In 1839, 4 trappers from the American Fur Company crossed the Midway Geyser Basin and noted a boiling lake. The hot spring is over 370 feet in diameter, and its colors are caused by microbial mats that thrive in the hot and mineral-rich waters. The deep blue color of the water in the center of the pool results from the intrinsic blue color of water. The effect is most substantial in the center of the spring because of its sterility and depth. Number 28. Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Croatia. It is known for its spectacular natural beauty, with 16 terraced lakes connected by waterfalls and surrounded by lush greenery. The lakes are a striking turquoise blue color, caused by the minerals in the water and the reflection of sunlight. The park covers an area of over 295 square kilometers and is home to diverse flora and fauna. Tourists can explore the park on a network of broad walks and trails that wind around the lakes and waterfalls, offering stunning views at every turn. One of the park's most popular areas is the Great Waterfall, which drops over 78 meters and is the largest waterfall in Croatia. Visitors can also take a boat ride across the largest lake, Kosjak, or hike to one of the many viewpoints for panoramic vistas of the park. Plitvice Lake National Park is open year-round and offers a unique experience in every season. In the spring and summer, the park is lush and vibrant, while in the fall, the changing colors of the trees create a stunning display. Number 27. Bonneville Salt Flats. Imagine a place so flat, you appear to see a planet's curvature. So unfertile, not even the simplest life forms can exist. The Bonneville Salt Flats is a vast expanse of salt flats extending over 30,000 acres in Utah, United States. The salt flats are remnants of a prehistoric lake and are known for their unique reflections of the sky and surrounding mountains. The salt flats are also used as a speedway for land speed racing, where vehicles can reach speeds of over 400 miles per hour. Number 26, Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills in Bohol, Philippines. These unique geological formations are composed of more than 1,000 perfectly cone-shaped hills, which are spread out over an area of around 50 square kilometers. Despite their name, the hills are not made of chocolate, but they get their name from their brown color during the dry season, which makes them look like giant chocolate mounds. The exact formation process of the hills is still unknown, although it's believed that they were once coral reefs uplifted during geological movements and then shaped by erosion. The Chocolate Hills is a popular tourist destination. They are so crucial to the region that they're depicted in the provincial flag and seal. But beyond their unique appearance, the hills have also been the source of many local legends and folklore. One famous fable is that the hills were formed from the tears of a giant who fell in love with a mortal woman and cried himself to sleep when she died. Number 25, Make Crater Lake. Make Crater Lake is a natural wonder located in the province of Konya in Turkey. The stunning lake was formed by a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. As you approach the lake, you'll be mesmerized by the vivid blue-green color of the water and the dramatic landscape surrounding it. The lake sits in the middle of a massive crater, and the steep walls of the crater rise up to 150 meters high. Make Crater Lake is truly a natural wonder that must be seen to be believed. Number 24, Kawajan. Kawajan is a volcano discovered in East Java, Indonesia. Kawajan is best known for its electric blue flames, which are caused by the combustion of sulfuric gases. These flames can reach up to 16 feet in height and are visible at night, creating a surreal and mesmerizing sight. Aside from its blue flames, Kawajan is also home to the world's largest acidic crater lake, which is rich in sulfuric acid and has a bright green hue. The lake is considered one of the Earth's most acidic bodies of water and is shrouded by steep, rocky cliffs. Guests to Kawajan can hike to the volcano summit to witness the blue flames and acidic crater lake up close. However, the hike is not for the faint of heart, as it can be steep and treacherous, and the air around the crater can be toxic. Kawajan is a true wonder of the natural world, a place of stark and eerie beauty. Number 23, Pernalulu. Pernalulu, or the Bungle Bungle Range, is a unique sandstone in Western Australia. The area is known for its beehive-shaped dunes, comprised of layers of sandstone and conglomerates that have been eroded over millions of years. The dome's distinctive orange and black stripes are caused by the oxidation of iron in the rock, giving them a stunning and otherworldly appearance. Purnalulu is also home to a range of unique flora and fauna, including rare and endangered species like the golden bandicoot and the Gouldian finch. The area is sacred to the local Aboriginal communities, who have lived in the area for over 20,000 years and have a deep spiritual connection to the land. Travelers to Purnalulu can hike through the domes and gorges, take a helicopter ride over the formations for a bird's eye view, or even camp overnight in the park. Number 22, underwater waterfall. Le Morne Brabant with underwater waterfall is a unique natural wonder located in the Indian Ocean on the southwest coast of Mauritius. Le Morne Brabant is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its iconic mountain that rises sharply from the ocean, making it a popular spot for hikers and nature lovers. But what truly sets this place apart is the underwater waterfall illusion that can be seen from above. It's not actually a waterfall, but a fascinating optical illusion created by sand and slit that flow off the underwater shelf and create the illusion of water cascading down into the depths. Today, it is a spectacular natural wonder that will leave you mesmerized. Number 21, Salar de Uyuni. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. This natural wonder is the world's most enormous salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers. The salt flat was formed due to prehistoric lakes that evaporated, leaving behind a layer of salt and other minerals. The Salar de Uyuni is visually stunning and serves as a crucial source of salt and lithium for Bolivia. It also has a unique feature where it reflects the sky, creating a stunning mirror effect. Visitors can take guided tours to explore the area and learn about the local culture and history. Salar de Uyuni is a magical natural wonder that should be on everyone's bucket list. Number 20, Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon in Arizona, USA. It's a slot canyon known for its mesmerizing and intricate rock formations created by erosion of sandstone over centuries. The narrow passageways of the canyon are lined with smooth and curved walls, creating beautiful and colorful patterns that change with sun's movement. Antelope Canyon is diverged into Upper Antelope Canyon and Lower Antelope Canyon. Upper Antelope Canyon is the more prevalent and visited section due to its broader and more accessible passages, making it easier for travelers to explore. Lower Antelope Canyon, on the other hand, offers a more challenging but equally beautiful experience with its narrow and steep staircases. Antelope Canyon is a photographer's paradise, and many professional photographers and amateurs flock to the canyon to capture its beauty. It's a stunning natural wonder that leaves travelers with the marvel of the power of nature's artistry. Number 19. Wadi Rum. Wadi Rum Desert in Jordan. Known for its vast red dunes and stunning rock formations, Wadi Rum has been a famous filming area for movies like Lawrence of Arabia and The Martian. But the beauty of Wadi Rum goes beyond its cinematic appeal. This desert has been inhabited by various cultures and civilizations for thousands of years, leaving a rich history and heritage. You can still find ancient inscriptions and carvings on the rocks and the ruins of stone buildings and temples. Wadi Rum is also a popular destination for adventure tourism. Tourists can hike, climb, or take a camel ride through the desert to explore its natural wonders and cultural sites. And at night, the starry skies of Wadi Rum offer a breathtaking view of the universe. Whether you're a film buff, a history enthusiast, or an adventure seeker, Wadi Rum is a must-visit destination that will leave you in amazement at its beauty and wonder. Number 18. Teide National Park. Discovered on the island of Tenerife in the Canary Islands, Teide National Park is home to Mount Teide, which stands 12,198 feet tall and is the highest point in Spain. A unique landscape of lunar-like terrain surrounds this volcanic mountain, lava flows, and twisted rock formations, all of which make it one of the most fascinating natural wonders in the world. But Mount Teide is more than just a pretty sight. It is also a geologist's dream, with rocks and formations that date back millions of years. But what really sets Teide National Park apart is its status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its natural beauty, geological importance, and cultural significance to the people of the Canary Islands. And for those who are up for a challenge, climbing Mount Teide is an unforgettable experience, with dazzling views of the surrounding landscape and the Atlantic Ocean. Number 17. White Desert. The White Desert of Egypt is a surreal and otherworldly landscape in the Western Desert. This unique natural wonder is characterized by its white limestone rock formations that have been sculpted by the wind into assorted shapes, resembling mushrooms, cones, and even animals. The White Desert is a popular destination for camping and stargazing, as the clear night sky offers an unobstructed view of the stars. The stark contrast between the white rock formations and the blue sky creates a stunning and unforgettable visual experience. The White Desert is also steeped in history, with ancient Egyptian rock art and fossils dating back millions of years. It's a genuinely fascinating and mystical place that transports guests to another world and offers a glimpse into the ancient past. Number 16. The Pinnacles. Next is the Pinnacles. In Nambang National Park, Western Australia, the Pinnacles are a unique natural wonder formed by limestone pillars that arise out of the yellow sand desert, creating a mesmerizing and otherworldly landscape. The limestone formations are believed to have been created over millions of years through erosion and calcification of shells in marine life that once inhabited the sea. The pinnacles come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from short, round pillars to tall, jagged spires, and are scattered across the desert landscape. The pinnacles are accessible to visitors by car, and a drive through the park offers breathtaking views of the unique landscape. Travelers can also walk among the formations on designated trails or take guided tours to learn more about the geology and history of the area. The pinnacles are also home to diverse flora and fauna, including kangaroos, emus, and various bird species. The park offers a unique opportunity to experience the natural beauty of Western Australia and witness a landscape unlike any other in the world. Number 15. Marble Caves. The Marble Caves, also known as the Marble Cathedral, are unique natural formations in the Patagonian Andes of southern Chile. Over thousands of years, these stunning caves were formed by the clear turquoise waters of Lake General Carrera flowing against the calcium carbonate walls, creating intricate patterns and sculptures in the soft rock. The caves can only be reached by boat, and sightseers can explore the beautiful blue waters and formations of the caves by taking a tour with a local guide. The colors of the caves vary depending on the time of day and the sun's angle, creating a surreal and otherworldly experience. The Marble Caves are a popular tourist destination and a geological wonder, showcasing the power and beauty of natural erosion. They are a true testament to the beauty of our world. Number 14. Kill Cenote in Yucatan. Moving on to the next natural wonder on our list, the Kill Cenote in Yucatan, Mexico. This cenote is a natural sinkhole formed by the collapse of a limestone cave and is one of the most unique and beautiful places to call in the Yucatan Peninsula. The Kill Cenote is surrounded by lush vegetation and crystal clear waters, making it a popular spot for swimming, diving, and snorkeling. Guests can also explore the caves and tunnels that extend deep into the cenote, observing the geological formations and the delicate ecosystems that have formed over time. One of the mesmerizing features of the Kill Cenote is its underwater caves, home to a diverse array of marine life and rare freshwater fish species. The cenote's crystal-clear waters also make it an ideal spot for photographers who can capture stunning images of the underwater landscapes in the beautiful blue hues of the water. The Kill cenote is an integral part of the cultural and natural heritage of the Yucatan Peninsula, and it is deeply connected to the region's rich history and mythology. Tourists can learn about the Mayan culture and the legends surrounding the cenotes, which were believed to be portals to the underworld. Number 13. Pamukkale. Pamukkale is which translates to Cotton Castle in Turkish. It's a natural site in southwestern Turkey, known for its thermal pools and wide terraces of travertine, a type of sedimentary rock. The hot springs in Pamukkale have been used as a spa since the Roman times, and it's still a popular tourist destination today. Callers can bathe in the warm, mineral-rich waters while enjoying the stunning views of the surrounding hills and valleys. But Pamukkale's beauty doesn't end there. The wide travertine terraces that look like frozen waterfalls are also a sight to behold. The terraces were formed by the accumulation of calcium carbonate, which was brought to the surface by hot springs and then solidified to form the white rocks. In addition to its natural beauty, Pamukkale is also home to the ancient city of Hierapolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city was founded in the 2nd century BC and was an influential center of Greco-Roman culture. Travelers can explore the city's ruins, including the ancient Roman baths, the theater, and the Temple of Apollo. Number 12. Antarctica. Antarctica. It's a land of extremes, with freezing temperatures, howling winds, and vast expanses of ice and snow. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and whales. Antarctica is also a hub for scientific research, with scientists worldwide conducting studies on climate change, geology, and marine biology. The continent's isolation and extreme conditions provide a unique environment for scientific exploration and discovery. Visiting Antarctica is not for the faint of heart, as it requires a long and challenging journey. Most travelers arrive by boat or plane and must be prepared for the cold and barren conditions. However, those who make the journey are rewarded with breathtaking views of towering ice formations, crystal clear waters, and the stunning natural beauty of one of the most remote places on Earth. 11. Ha Long Bay. Ha Long Bay, in the Quan Ninh province in Vietnam, is a dazzling natural wonder of Southeast Asia. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular tourist destinations in Vietnam. Ha Long Bay is home to over 1,600 limestone islands and islets that rise out of the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Tonkin. The islands, with their unique shapes and sizes, were formed over millions of years due to the weathering of the limestone. The bay's emerald waters are home to a diverse ecosystem, including coral reefs, mangrove forests, and over 200 species of fish. One of the most popular activities for visitors to Ha Long Bay is to take a boat tour, allowing them to get up close to the limestone islands and experience the tranquil beauty of the bay. Sightseers can also explore the many caves and grottos that dot the islands, such as the famous Sung Sot Cave. Ha Long Bay is a natural wonder and a cultural and historical site. Humans have inhabited the bay for thousands of years, and the local fishing villages that dot the islands are home. Number 10. Lake Natron. This stunning alkaline lake is famous for its bright red color and unique ecosystem that supports a variety of life forms adapted to extreme conditions. The bright red color of the lake is caused by the presence of microorganisms called Halorchia, which thrive in the lake's high salt concentration. The alkalinity of the lake also prevents most animals from living in it, but it is home to one of the world's most extensive breeding grounds for lesser flamingos, who feed on the algae and plankton found in the lake. Travelers to Lake Natron can enjoy hiking, bird watching, and camping in the surrounding hills. However, the lake is not suggested for swimming due to its high salt concentration and alkalinity. Lake Natron is a true wonder of nature, a dazzling and unique ecosystem that has adapted to the severe conditions of its environment. Number 9. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China is known for its stunning natural landscapes and unique sandstone pillars. Located in the Hunan province of China, the park covers an area of more than 11,000 acres and is part of the larger Wulingyunik Scenic Area. The park has over 3,000 sandstone pillars, some rising over 200 meters above the ground. These pillars result from millions of years of weathering and erosion, creating an otherworldly landscape that is a sight to behold. The park also has dense forests, winding rivers, and scenic waterfalls, adding to its natural beauty. One of the most iconic features of the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is the Avatar Hallelujah Mountain, which inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Visitors can take a cable car ride to the top of the hill for stunning views of the surrounding area. Number 8. Nepali Coast. Nepali Coast is discovered on the north shore of the Hawaiian island of Kauai. The stunning coastal region has towering cliffs, deep valleys, and pristine beaches. The Nepali coast is one of the Hawaii's most beautiful and awe-inspiring natural wonders, drawing visitors from around the world to its rugged and remote shores. The Nepali coast is only accessible by foot, boat, or helicopter. Hiking the Kalalau Trail, which stretches for 11 miles along the coast, is a popular way to explore the area. The trail takes hikers through lush valleys, over rugged terrain, and past stunning vistas of the ocean and cliffs. For those who prefer to see the coast from the water, there are a variety of boat tours available that take tourists along the coastline to see the towering cliffs and hidden beaches up close. The Nepali coast is home to diverse flora and fauna, including native plants like hibiscus and hala, and animals like the Hawaiian monk seal and the nene, Hawaiian goose. Number 7. Bryce Canyon National Park. Bryce Canyon National Park is discovered in southwestern Utah, USA. This national park is famous for its unique geological formations, known as hoodoos, tall and thin rock spires eroded over time by wind, water, and ice. The hoodoos in Bryce Canyon are made of sedimentary rock in varying color from white to orange to red, creating a stunning and otherworldly landscape. Travelers to Bryce Canyon can enjoy various activities like hiking, horseback riding, and stargazing. The park offers over 50 miles of hiking trails, ranging from easy walks to strenuous hikes that take visitors down into the canyon. Stargazing is also popular at Bryce Canyon due to its high elevation and clear skies. Number 6. Maldives. Next on our list is the Maldives, a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean. The Maldives comprises 26 atolls and over 1,000 islands known for their crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and diverse marine life. The Maldives is a popular destination for honeymooners and vacationers seeking a luxurious and relaxing getaway. Sightseers can stay in overwater villas, enjoying stunning ocean views and marine life beneath their feet. The Maldives is also a popular destination for scuba diving and snorkeling, where guests can witness diverse marine life, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and manta rays. Overall, the Maldives is a spectacular natural wonder that offers visitors a unique blend of natural beauty, Number 5. Banff National Park. Banff National Park, located in the Canadian Rockies of Alberta, Canada. This stunning national park is home to glaciers, mountains, forests, and turquoise lakes known for their astonishing beauty. Banff National Park was established in 1885 as Canada's first national park and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It covers an area of 2,564 square miles and is home to over 1,000 glaciers, including the Columbia Icefield, the largest icefield in the Canadian Rockies. Some of the must-see sites in Banff National Park include Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, and the town of Banff itself. Lake Louise is famous for its turquoise waters and stunning mountain views, while Moraine Lake is known for its vibrant blue-green waters and surrounding peaks. Number 4. Angel Falls. Angel Falls is located in the Canaima National Park in Venezuela with a height of 979 meters or 3,212 feet. Angel Falls is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall. The falls are named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who was the first to fly over the hills in 1933. The surrounding area is home to the indigenous Pemon people who consider the falls sacred and have lived in the region for thousands of years. Travelers can take guided tours to see the falls up close, hike through the jungle, or take a boat tour. The falls are magnificent during the rainy season, when the water flow is at its highest, and the mist created by the falls can be seen from miles away. Number 3. Big Sur. Big Sur is one of the world's most gorgeous and awe-inspiring natural wonders. Big Sur is on California's central coast, a 90-mile stretch of rugged coastline surrounded by towering redwood forests and craggy cliffs. It's no wonder that Big Sur has captured the hearts and imaginations of travelers, photographers, and artists alike. Here, you'll find some of the most beautiful vistas on the planet, with views that stretch for miles in every direction. One of the most popular attractions in Big Sur is Pfeiffer Beach, which is known for its beautiful rock formations and purple sands. The beach is a popular spot for surfing, swimming, and sunbathing, but it's also a great place to explore the natural wonders of Big Sur. Another must-see attraction in Big Sur is the Bixby Creek Bridge, one of California's most iconic landmarks. The bridge spans the deep canyon of Bixby Creek and offers incredible views of the Pacific Ocean and the surrounding landscape. Whether you're an avid hiker or just a casual nature lover, you'll find plenty of opportunities to explore and discover the natural wonders of Big Sur. Number 2, Danakil Depression. Uncovered in northeastern Ethiopia, the Danakil Depression is one of Earth's hottest and most inhospitable places. It is known for its otherworldly landscapes of salt flats, sulfur springs, and colorful mineral deposits. Despite its harsh conditions, the Danakil Depression is home to a unique ecosystem of salt-loving microbes and other extremophiles. Visitors can take guide tours of the region and see the natural wonders that have formed over millions of years. Number 1. Waitomo Glowworm Caves. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves in New Zealand is a natural wonder that looks like something out of a fantasy world. As the name suggests, the caves are known for the bioluminescent glowworms that call them home. These tiny creatures emit a soft blue-green light, creating a surreal and magical ambience throughout the cave. The caves were first explored in 1887 by local Maori chief Tain Tinera and English surveyor Fred Mace. Since then, the caves have become a popular tourist attraction, drawing tourists worldwide to witness their extraordinary beauty. Sightseers can take a boat tour inside the caves through the dark underground caverns, where thousands of glowworms illuminate the walls and ceiling. The tour guides provide a wealth of information about the caves and the fascinating creatures that inhabit them. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are not only visually stunning, but also ecologically important. The glowworms play a vital role in the cave's ecosystem, and the preservation of their habitat is